Hey future truckers, looking at this yard from the street, it's understandable why most drivers refuse to enter it with a 53-foot trailer. I've delivered here on multiple occasions, and there are usually obstacles to be careful and avoid, whether it's a truck in the dock, a construction trailer, or some recently delivered equipment. One option is to back in from the street and blindside into the dock, but I prefer to do it a different way. I can get my trailer pointed at the dock if I use all my available space. Now, unless you drive for an LTL company, you won't have to worry about delivering to a place like this with a 53-foot trailer. Use this as an example you can apply to other setups you may have out there. Keep it as simple as possible. Use both mirrors and try to develop an awareness of where the trailer is pointing at all times. Remember that where it is currently pointing is where it is currently going. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for watching and be safe out there.